Minister Lakpom Jain Kumar urges people for their cooperation in providing full-fledged education to the upcoming generations for a peaceful and developed society. MLATS Lokeshwar stressed that the hurried inauguration of Dolai Thavi Barrage project by the government has led to facing of various inconveniences by people. And Chief Election Commissioner declared that assembly election in Maharashtra and Haryana will be held on 21st of October and the counting of vote on 24th of October. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandara. I'm presenting you the afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. School Management Committee of Kahemba Junior High School, along with teachers of the school, felicitated Vaikomd Rovita Chanu, who was recently conferred upon the State Teacher Award 2019 at Yaifalamjing Loop Community Hall in the Pisumthong Bazaar today. School bags were also distributed to the student of the school on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Art and Culture Minister Lakpom Jain Kumar stated that achieving Mayor Award does not signify true success of a teacher. He asserted that a quality education and efficient teachers play a significant role to build a developed and a well-mannered society. He maintained that a successful teacher is one who is compassionate and has a clear objective to produce an ideal student who will be an asset to the society. Stating that knowledge and education comes accordingly, he asserted that magnitude of the education is boundless and it is a never-ending process.
The best profession, the noblest profession can have targeted. Oja Sini, but do Hojiti, Mayamse, Tabak the body, Oja Changman, Oja Odana Haragadi, Oja with the MCS Oja, I am Behele, Pandukado Haragadi, MCS Oyukandana, more than important to figure out what Oja Ivadana, mean a Lana Vivaman, but like Haitaman, but Kanbagi, 10 days similar for them to Mashidani, a cordial was social behavior, Machi changes Mayamaka. They are all good child psychologists, they are philosophers. They are child psychologists. और जहाँ मैं यहाँ न पुल लगा leader को रिवा program तो लगा energy जी पुटो लगा करा वाई दा अंगांग सिंह की लोट तरह लगी मखल की हंता उधर मखल talent करा वाई दे लगी हाई नहीं न तक हाई नहीं दिए कना न खंगे न हाई बता रखे दी मामा न खंग बता के दी अंगांग दे स्कूल लोई न रिवा मखल और जाने न खंगे अब इसे मतलब खंग न बच होना कदम
MLA of Kundrakpam constituency, T.H. Lokeshwar, asserted that the people itself hold responsibility for the recent drought situation in the state due to their lack of concern in planting trees. He was speaking at the World Bamboo Day event organized by Kanglei Environment and Livelihood Foundation KELF at Sagolmang Khewa in Imphal East today. The event was held as part of World Bamboo Day Observation Week. MLATH Lokeshwar urged people to plant around 100 trees every season to curb a drought crisis in the state. The MLA maintained that he, along with the people of the constituency, have planted various tree saplings to help in combating climate change. He stated that the resolution taken by the people of the constituency to curb deforestation in the area will avail greatly in maintaining a healthy environment. He called upon the public to keep aside political differences and extend their cooperation in saving the environment. Meanwhile, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, who was supposed to attend the event as the chief guest, left without attending the program.
Koyan Mintara Marimana Shure, the Honorable MP got over time. Yes, when Katayam Sumdam Tao Jovani, Tachi Suga, and some Hazabani, the whatever we tar Ushe, Wase, Kambazi Hinganaba, Tarmaga, Saki Dunata, Hinganaba, but Hinganabigi, whole Kanusi Sanga, the Vashina, Kunga, Iga, Dietologodaba, Ado Hingaba Kanda, Har was Hingabakan Madi Pangandubo, Binipituna, Parazana Pangoba, Ado Shinabana, I enjoy the Wasi and Hangadori, enjoy Atopamagi, any Sinamunda, why is the any Mapangum Shinabia? Wada Kogi Manabsing alluding in Mapungudunga in Yanga, I tell that Hapayaba don't watch any Mapam the Yabnina, was he quite again the Kala and Kalang Highway Wapamishi.
Responding to media queries regarding Dolai Thavi Barrage project, Kundrakpam MLA TH Lokeshwar lamented that it could have been much better for the people if Dolai Thavi Barrage project was inaugurated after its full completion. He also maintained that the hurried inauguration by the present government has led to facing of various inconveniences by the people. Regretting over the unhealed crisis of the public, MLA TH Lokeshwar urged the authorities concerned to look into the matter.
Hauji palib saga sai khwai ngai tab am khai jege phajana lura kanda ising je trial phajana tawraba kanda sanga ji hai adu chungya ya dana by forcibly mafam da lak aga sanga bangam dana moi ga sumda mafam ba kana hai da mafam da sanga ta de ugadam ne bi hai bi lak pado adu de moi de angam ne saga ji angam ni dana tok tok kare hauji di kari thoe hek tok kare ising je amma da tangkhai ma kai adagi ising je kanu de makha da chen na ga do mathak da makha ram de cheng khalak pi madung de khoi kana da ta ne mong khang hauji ta ne mong khang tre law ro tok na ta kanan to pai le tre han ising thang na chele ha Chilo, Chila Budu Chilo in Jinan and Chile, Hangala Chile to Chilo in. I don't talk about it in Janaki Ashoba, Highway Rakari, I don't know the country. The Buddha Suma match for a Mazus correction of another, but a complete load of a kind of Sangaji Sangas have a say. Mogi, the Hongo be the country that only mean Tachel have you can country, how just Sagaz, Carino, Gianta, the Pattern, Heck, Namimatam, dog, Masidi, it is very unfortunate.
182 BSF Koirengay under the age of Sector Headquarter BSF CI Operation Manipur conducted the civic action program at the Tamukong village of Infal East near BSF CI post Mafau East today. The commandant of the battalion, Nitin Gupta, handed over a garbage disposal system and dustbins during the event. Speaking at the event, Commandant Nitin Gupta stressed upon the necessities of hygiene and maintenance of cleanliness of the market areas and other places. He also assured that the BSF would continue such work in future too. Second in command of the battalion, T.H. Vinod, officiating COI commander, members of BSF personnel of the AOR, local civilians, village members and Pradhan attended the program. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on launching of a fitness event entitled Healthy Sunday. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Fitness event organizer Atia, in association with Birla Emporium, launched a fitness event entitled Healthy Sunday to lead a long and healthy life today. Health enthusiasts from across the state performed various forms of exercises like yoga, Zumba and pilates at the inaugural event. Health screening facilities were also provided during the event.
अखोई हेल्दी संडे ना पांगथु इसे मरम दे अखोई सुटी निमित अमा सिदा अखोई लाइबा सोसाइटी से लाइबा मैम से पुंजे लगे हेल्दी सोसाइटी ओइबा अमा हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल ओइबा अमा अखोई सेम जे हाइना यूथ अमा सु एडल्ट मैम से पुल लगा अखोई सुमबगी इवेंट अमा अखोई सिनजबने ngasi अखोई तौजे पिलाटेस तौरे जुम्बा तौरे प्लैंक कंपटीशन तौरे अदगी योगा तौखरे दुगा अखोई साइक्लोथ्रॉन यारम बने दो नोंग सिंगी फिबम फतब दो साइक्लोथ्रॉन दुनी ngasi तौजद्रे दुबु अखोई एवरी मंथ एवरी संडे तौजगदो बने सेजिला अखोई एकदम टाइम टू टाइम अखोई लोइमा खापको लखेनी एक्सरसाइज की ओइबा याबा खुदिमा
Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchan, who is also the MLA of Singjumai constituency, launched a campaign called Clean Singjumai Campaign to keep the constituency cleaned. Singjumai United Clubs Organization SUCO, a conglomerate of all the clubs in Singjumai, organized the event at the community hall of Chingamathak College Road Youth Development Association CRYDA. People also carried out rally at the surrounding of the constituency and used various place guard.
We support our clean Singjumai and conceivable Udopisi, Masay Yamtakatsi, we Lekai Lekaida, campaign of Biragumatamda, and a Chita Zawamaka supplement of the Masi, dustbin Hambagi, Neomatan Sibibataragadi, we dustbin ga, drain ga, any differences here. Society da khang da dumaina drain da bottle da da bi pata bi se dum karongi zata dan lai ana campaign tu ki part amoina ki 10 bin jo kamai na kra khinsi hai koi meter kun ki kutha ki lamnam da 10 bin lai na ga ga di bottle drain da tha da do 10 bin tin na ga ni ana campaign ki process amoina adu masu hapan.
Old Manipur Handloom Export Development Entrepreneur Consortium organized medicinal tree plantation drive at Primary Health Center Complex, Basikong today. The consortium organized the event as a part of the mass tree plantation drive to combat climate change in the world.
Walgi waina khoi ecosystem kai reiba aduga khoi asoiba mayam ama nong chugadaba matamda nong chudaba aduga khoi asiguma ecosystem kai rakpa sidaida khoi ngasi khoina tawjariba mafam asi khoi Basikong Public Health Center gi center sidaida khoina doctor gi kanu khana asiga khoi chanaba maramda khoi medicine plan asi thajabani ado masi khoina khara makhai khoi aman hede ki side tagi khoi ecosystem kai rakpa sidaida khoina mateng kitang da warasu khoi group ki side tagi jik se sin aho boina oijaraga makha tarakpada khoina health center mafam ayambada khoi thajagena khoina chalaga thage haibege khoi wakan khanjari.
Chief Election Commissioner declares that assembly elections in Maharashtra and Haryana will be held on 21st of October and the counting of vote will take place on 24th of October. Announcing the polls scheduled in New Delhi yesterday, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora said that the election process in both the state will be completed by 27th of October. Special security arrangement has been made in Naxal-affected areas. Maharashtra has 288 seats and Haryana has 90 seats. Model Code of Conduct in these states has come into force with immediate effect. Notification will be issued on 27th of this month and the last date for filing nominations will be on 4th of October. Scrutiny will be held on 5th October and the last date for withdrawals of nominations will be on 7th of October. IAF's Jammu and Kashmir AOC Air Vice Marshal PM Sinha flagged off an expedition Kargil to Kohima K2K ultra marathon entitled Glory Run from the Kargil War Memorial at Drast in Jammu and Kashmir to Kohima War Cemetery in Nagaland yesterday. The expedition commemorates 28 years of Kargil victory and to live up to the true tradition and motto of IAF, Touch the Sky with Glory. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Minister L. Jainta-Kumar urges people for their cooperation in providing full-fledged education to the upcoming generation for a peaceful and developed society. MLA T.H. Lokeshwar stated that hurried inauguration of Dolai Tawi Barrage project by government has led to facing of various inconveniences by people. And Chief Election Commissioner declares that assembly elections in Maharashtra and Haryana will be held on 21st of October and the counting of vote on 24th October.